Don't you just love a great kitchen? I was just finishing up some sweets here.
Andrew, back it up.
Hi, I'm Andrew Phillips. Join Amelia and I for a great tour of 9C at 250 West 94th Street.
This once classic 5-room home has been transformed and renovated for the way we live today.
That's right. The huge formal dining room has been divided to make a 3rd bedroom and a large eat-in kitchen with a breakfast bar.
There's nothing I like better than hanging out here and watching someone else do the cooking.
I love a good pot filler. No reason to lift the heavy pot from the sink.
You know a living room is large when you're playing piano and you don't even notice it.
Come take a look at the 2nd bedroom or den. It's currently being used as a great home office, guest room, and can easily convert back to a full-time bedroom.
Let's not forget, who doesn't love a private washer-dryer?
Love this oversized primary suite with 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite bathroom. The Stanton name comes from Elizabeth Cady Stanton, the founder of America's women's suffrage movement, where she lived in a house on this site and held meetings with her friend and protege, Susan B. Anthony, a forerunner of the equal rights movement.
The Stanton has an on-site resident manager, porters on staff, a landscaped roof deck, storage, laundry room, bike room, playroom, as well as a residence gym. There's easy access to both Riverside and Central Parks, as well as Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and it's right around the corner from the subway. This prime location on the Upper West Side can't be beat, and it's pet-friendly too.
Don't you just love a great kitchen?
Oh yes.
Snap out of it. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.